What's he doing? What's Trent doing, Bean? What's he doing? Is he your buddy? Here he comes again, Bean. What's he doing?
I enjoy Brian from Liv and Maddie, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Bailey, is that your buddy? Is that your buddy?
I can't believe Trent's circling Bean. That's Bean over there, and that's Trent.
Alright, we're signing off. So what's the last thing you have to say?
I'm Peyton, and I'm on your side.